In Mastercam 2026, a new feature helps alleviate the challenge of selecting geometry within a complex model. Let's take a look and see how the new Verify Selection tool in Mastercam 2026 is a game changer for anyone who finds himself handling large complex assemblies with a variety of data types. On my screen is a model of a rotary engine. If we take a look at the statistics, we have multiple solids, surfaces, and even mesh data contained within the model. The variety of the data here, as well as the model itself, which has a housing surrounding the internal components, makes it challenging to select specific data. With the new Verify Select, it becomes much easier. Let's say I want to select one of the rotors. If I go to the front view and then hover over an area, after a short pause, you'll see my cursor change to show the number of selections, including hidden geometry, that I can make. If I then right-click, we see a display list. This list shows the selections, and either arrow keys, a right-click, or even the middle mouse scroll wheel will cycle through the list. And as you cycle through the entities, they will display on the screen. You'll also notice that our display list shows if the entity is a solid, surface, mesh, and even what level it is on. Once the desired entity is highlighted, a simple double-click selects it. And to take it a step further, let's use the Hide shortcut, Alt+E, to hide everything else. As you can see, this is a great enhancement to the selection tools in Mastercam. The next time your model is complex and you need to select geometry within your model, try the Verify Selection tool.